Yes, hello everybody. Myself Rajiraj Singh, Rana Physics faculty. So guys, today we are going to study electric field due to charge disk. In the last lecture we have studied electric field due to charge ring. And lot of cases we have discussed like at center, maximum point, graph, right? Similarly, we are going to now study electric field due to charge disk. After then we will study like center, again graph, right? And some questions we will see here, right? Okay. So can I start, my dear students? Okay, thank you. So just see here. Yeah, so you can see, my dear student, we have one disk, right? And this disk is completely charged. It means all around its surface, here as well as everywhere, charge is present. That may be plus charge or maybe minus charge. I assume right now it is plus charge. You can take minus charge, only sign convention will be effective, right? Thank you. See. So they have asked a question, what will be electric field at this point, suppose P. So what will be electric field at this point? They are asking to us. Same like, you can go see, same like ring. But we know that in the case of ring, charge was only on the surface. Charge was only on the surface. Getting your points? Okay. So how we can calculate? So first of all, see, here sigma is given. Sigma means surface charge density, because ring has only length. So in the case of previous lecture, we have assumed that lambda, but right now this is a disk. So in the case of this, charge will be spread over the surface area. And one of the perfect example of disk is, slice of onion. Slice of onion is just like perfect disk, right? Okay. Now I will give you one short trick. Just note the onion, then you will find that, suppose that this is a slice of onion, my dear, suppose that this is a slice of onion. If you will look here at the center, then you will find that lot of ring you will get of various radius, lot of ring you will get of various radius. It means what? Basically, disk is made up of combination of large number of radius or large number of ring of various radius. Yes or no? Again I am telling you, it means what? Disk is made up of combination of large number of ring of various radius. So in this case, we take elementary part as a ring. In the case of ring, we have taken elementary part as a point charge, because they are made up of combination of lot of point charge, but this disk is made up of combination of lot of ring. So elementary part will be what? Can I write here? Elementary part will be ring. Elementary part of disk is ring of various radius. Okay. So we can say here, disk has lot of ring and those ring has lot of radius, like 0 radius, like R, R1, R2, dash, 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 dash up to here. So limit of radius will be what? 0 to capital R. 0 to capital R. So its radius limit will be, my dear, 0 to capital R. Range of radius should be 0 to capital R. Done, buddy? Okay. So now how we can calculate? This is the only elementary part. We can say disk is made up of this one, and the radius of ring should be 0 to capital R. Now thing is that how we can calculate? Simple, we will select any one disk and find the electric field due to this disk, because we know that select any one ring of any radius, then find the electric field due to this ring, right? Because we know that electric field due to ring, and after then we will do integration. So see here. So what I told, elementary part of disk is ring and it has various radius. So I move from the center at a distance r and select a ring whose thickness is dr. Select a ring whose thickness is dr. this ring I represent here, my dear, this same ring. This ring I represent here. The radius of this ring is r and thickness is dr. So now we are going to calculate electric field due to this ring at this point, means at this point, are you getting my points? For your clear vision, I take this part here. So now electric field due to this ring at this point we can represent, because we know that electric field due to ring kqx by x by r square plus r square x square power 3 by 2, right? So I need to find charge on this part, only this part, charge on this part only, this part. So we know that this is a sigma. Sigma means what? Charge per unit area. So if you want to calculate charge on this one, so first of all you must calculate area of this one. So what is the length of ring? We know that length of ring is what? 2 pi r and thickness is dr. If we will cut this part, so this become like rectangle strip. This become like that. See. So this thickness is my dear dr. And this total length is 2 pi r. So area become 2 pi r into dr, and area into sigma becomes surface charge. So this is the charge of ring. Now due to this ring, a small electric field will be, my dear, can I write here du? We know that kq. So right now not kq, right now k dq, okay. What? This distance is of x. So kqx under root, my dear, or you simply say x square, okay, plus visible, okay, r square power 3 by 2. So this is the, just hold it, not visible, okay, I make it. See, so just hold, yeah. Now you can see, so k dqx by x square plus r square power 3 by 2. So this is, can I get? This is the electric field due to a small ring. And how many rings here? Sir, here lot of ring, their radius is variable. So can I ask a simple question, lollipop question to you? Here x is variable or r is variable? So simple, r is variable, x not variable. Done, buddy? So here what variable? R is variable, because ring has different radius and its limit I have already told 0 to r. So E will be, my dear, integration of dE 0 to capital R. Can I raise now? Now put the value of a small dE from there. So this become k dq. Okay, kx one side dq already calculated. Sigma into 2 pi r dr. dq we have calculated. Sigma into 2 pi r dr divided x square plus r square power 3 by 2, and this is a 0 to capital R. Okay, can I write this side? So see what we can take constant? Kx sigma 2 pi constant. So outside. See here, k is what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into x into sigma into 2 pi integration r by x square plus r square power 3 by 2 dr. My dear, are you getting my point? Okay, this chum cancel out. So just you can see here, after cancellation, this result is coming sigma y 2 epsilon 0, okay, into x and integration of this one, right? Integration of this one. So I think you know integration of this one. If you don't know, so just see here. Okay, just wait. Now see, we will do its integration. It is again not visible. Just hold. Now visible. Yeah. Now see, we are going to do the integration. So here we will do substitution method. We can assume to this one something like, I assume x square plus r square is equal to t square. So this differentiation will be, sir, 2r into dr, and this is a constant 0. This will become 2t dt. So chum, r dr will be, my dear, t dt. Okay, and this total become what? T square. So if you will put here t square, can you see? If you put here t square, just here t square. So this one will get cancelled. So basically this become t cube. Basically this become what? T cube, right? So this become t cube. Okay. and rdr, replace rdr is what? T dt. So this become T and dt. T get cancelled. So my dearest friend, E is equal to sigma by 2 pi epsilon 0 1 by t square dr. Now its integration. So we know that 1 by x integration is 1 by x square integration minus 1 by x. So this become minus 1 by t. And its limit you can take because you know t is equal to or t square is equal to you know x square plus r square. So t is what? Under root x square plus r square. And what is the value of r here? 0. So when value of r 0, then t is what? X. Then t is what? X. And what is the maximum value of r? What is the maximum value of r? Okay, it is not visible. Hold. Okay, again I am telling you, see here. We have calculated, my dear, here. T square is equal to, we assume x square plus r square. So from here t is equal to what? Under root x square plus small r square, not capital, small r square. And I told you, value of small r changes with time, changes. Initial value of small r is what? 0. So when it is 0, t will be x. And what is the final value of small r? Capital R. So this become under root x square plus r square. So now put the upper limit and lower limit. Can I get this side? Okay. So see, E will be sigma by 2 epsilon 0 minus upper limit 1 by, at the place of t, x square plus r square minus of minus 1 by, and at the place of t is what? X. So this result is coming, my dear. See here, E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon 0. This minus plus, so can I write 1 by x minus, this become, my dear, 1 by under root, and here 1x be forgetting outside, x square plus r square. Now multiply this x. So E will be, my dear, sigma by 2 epsilon 0. If we multiply, so x by x become 1 minus xy under root x square plus r square. So this is the electric field due to disk. My dear, this is the electric field due to disk. Done, buddy? Okay, this is a general formula, not a formula for the center. This is a general formula. If B is to calculate at center, so see, at center, x is equal to what? 0. At center, x is equal to what? 0. So this becomes 0. So electric field will be sigma by 2 epsilon 0. You can see here, electric field at the center of ring was 0. But right now, electric field at the center of this is not 0. First thing we have calculated. Now second, we are going to find graph. So just you have to keep one point in your mind. See, this is always constant, this is constant because sigma by 2 epsilon 0, sigma should be constant, this will be constant. This is also constant, right? So this will be variable. Suppose, my dear, suppose x is equal to, just take practical value for the graph. X is equal to take 2 and r is equal to take 3. X is equal to take 2 and r is equal to take 3. Okay. So this become what? 9 and this become 4, 13. So this become 2 by under root 13. Now take x is equal to something. Something, it means x is equal to take 3. If we will take x is equal to 3, so this become 9 and 9, 18, so 3 by 18. Or simple, we can take some value which we can find. R is equal to just take 1. R is equal to take 1. And x is equal to, we can take 1, suppose x is equal to 1. So this become 1 by root 2, okay. Now suppose x is equal to 2. So this become what? 2 by under root 5. Right? Now take x is equal to 3. So this become 3 by under root 10. So you can see this value will start increasing, right? This value will start increasing. How? So you can see here, this is what? 1 by 1.41. But if you solve this one, this become 2 by 2.4 something. And this become 3 by 3 point something. Suppose you take 4, x equal to 4. So 4 by under root what? 16 plus 1, 17. So this value is very small, you can say. So from here you can see, this value start increasing. Right now it is 1.5 times here. But right now it is just 1 times. So simply we can say this value will start increasing if you will increase the x. If you will increase the x, this value will start increasing. It means what? The quantity which should be subtracted from 1 start increasing. It means the total value will decrease. Suppose sometime it is 0.3. So total value is 0.7. Now it becomes 0.5. Total value 0.5. Now this becomes 0.6. Total value 0.4. So what happened? This whole value start decreasing. Ultimately, this electric field will also decrease. It means if we will move away from the center of this, so electric will start decreasing. So now we are going to study E versus X. See here. So see what I told, electric field will be maximum at the center. So this is the disk, its center. So electric field will be maximum. This is the positive X, this is the negative X, and this is the negative electric field. So this electric field maximum, and after that it start decreasing. Similarly here this will be maximum, and after that it start decreasing. So this is the graph of electric field due to this. Done, buddy? Now one more case here. Suppose that you have disk and some part of disk is removed. Then what will be electric field? Just see the next case. Yeah, suppose you have a disk and you have to calculate electric field at this point. This is a complete disk, so simply you will calculate sigma by 2 epsilon naught 1 minus x by under root x square plus r square. But now I am changing the question. Suppose that this part of disk is removed. This part of disk is removed. And suppose this radius is smaller. This radius is smaller and this one has radius capital R. It means from the complete disk, try to understand, it means from the complete disk, a small disk of radius smaller is removed, then what will be now electric field at this point? Get my points? Or simply they will ask, what will be electric field due to this part? So, my dear, again try to understand, I have a one disk, right? And from this disk, a small part is removed. So, two questions they will ask. What will be electric field due to remaining part? What will be electric field due to removed part? Done, buddy? Okay. So, this question, such kind of question we have already faced in center of mass. Right? Such kind of question we have already faced in center of mass. So, no issue. First of all, see here. So, first of all, see what is the electric field due to complete disk? I am asking electric field due to complete disk. See here. Electric field due to complete disk. Okay. So, this becomes our sigma by 2 epsilon 0 1 minus x by under root x square plus r square. Done, buddy? This is the electric field due to complete disk. Sir, we have done wrong. Yes or no? Because this is not a complete disk. This part is removed. No issue. Assume this is made up of negative charge density. This is made up of negative charge density. Yes or no? Are you agree with this point? So this is made up of negative charge density. So electric field due to this part. So can I write electric field due to removed part? Okay. Electric field due to removed part. Okay. So I am writing up. This becomes, suppose this is a E1. Suppose this is a E0, not E1. E0 due to whole disk. So due E1. E1 becomes a, this is E1. So E1 becomes minus sigma y 2 epsilon 0 1 minus x by under root x square plus a small r square. Why a small r square? Because its radius is what? A small r. Getting my points? So first of all, again I am going to explain you. I calculate electric field due to complete this. I ignore this part. So due to complete this result will come. But I did wrong. So for correction, I assume, oh, this is made up of negative charge density. So due to this negative charge density, this will be electric field minus sigma by 2 epsilon 0 1 minus x by under root x square plus a small r square. This is the point you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Now we have to find electric field due to remaining part. So see, electric field due to remaining part what? This part and plus this part. One more point. You will think, sir, this is the plus part. No. You have already taken here negative sign, so you have to add. If you are not going to take negative sign, then you should subtract. Getting my points? So here E due to electric field due to remaining will be due to complete plus due to removed part E1. Again I am telling you, if you are not taking this negative sign, then you have to take subtract here. If you already considered this is negative, right, this is negative, then you have to add here. Getting my points? So see what will be result here. Result will be first result sigma y 2 epsilon 0 1 minus x y under root x square plus r square. Okay, minus first part. Keep this one, this will be what? Sigma y 2 epsilon 0. It is visible. 1 minus x y under root x square plus r square. So from here you can take sigma by 2 epsilon 0. From here you can take sigma by 2 epsilon 0 common. So this will become 1 minus xy under root r square plus x square. This minus minus 1. Minus minus become plus xy under root x square plus r square. So my dear, this cham cham chamacham you can see here. So remaining part result will become ER sigma by 2 epsilon 0. See here. X by under root x square plus a small r square minus x by under root x square plus capital R square. So this is the result due to remaining part. So again I am telling you, I will not suggest to you remember this remaining part answer. No, I will not suggest. Yeah, I will give you a step. So whenever you are going to face such kind of questions, first of all find the electric field due to complete this. Now assume the remaining part is